Just Google it. Is a term I'm sure most of us have used at some point and even now. Hi, I'm Govinda and today I'll be sharing some tips on how to Google effectively. Ourselves being in a tech industry, contributing in our own way, be it HR, operations, developers, managers, security experts, DevOps, and so on. There's no doubt almost everyone uses Google to find answers or solutions, and other industries are no exception. So, the question here is there a better and faster way to find what you are looking for in Google search? Yes, there is. Let's say you are looking for a specific PDF file on websites under the Spiralogics domain. The normal way we would probably start searching would be to type and enter PDF files Spiralogics. Here, as you can see, we got 37,100 results, and the first one that came up was Govinda Wagle's LinkedIn profile. But is this the result that you are looking for? Obviously no, right? So, how can we get the results that we really need? In this case, the query could be file type PDF space site spiralogics.com. As you can see from the result, there are no PDF files indexed in Google and Spiralogics domain. Now, let's search for Nepal Sambat in the domain spiralogics.net. For that, the query would be all in text Nepal Sambat space site spiralogics.net. It only searched in Spiralogics.net and found the filter out results we needed. Similarly, there are a huge number of other queries you can use to help you get faster and better results. You can find the full list of queries from the link mentioned in the description below. I hope you will follow these tips the next time you Google for something and find the results you are actually looking for. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of Spiralogics SkillUp.